Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about Oppo's recent event, and I'm going to be talking about their new concept phone, which is basically the Oppo X 2021, and it's basically their first ever rollable phone. And this is very exciting for the marketplace, and it shows that there's still innovation in the smartphone marketplace, and I can't wait to see how this product does. Now, when it comes to this phone itself, it is very exciting, and I think it's a lot better than foldable phones are right now. The reason for this is because this rollable phone has no creases on the screen. The way they're doing this is by having two motors in the phone that can roll in and out, and you can adjust the size to how much you want it to be. Now, when the phone is not unrolled, that's a funny word to say, but when the phone isn't unrolled, it is 6.7 inches, and when you roll it out, it goes from 6.7 inches to 7.4 inches when it comes to the screen size. And I think that's crazy good, and it makes it a lot more customizable, considering if you wanted it 6.9 inches, you could have it 6.9 inches. If you wanted it 7.2 inches, you could have it 7.2 inches. And it just gives room for customization for whatever the user wants to do. Now, this is a very good step for the marketplace, and I can't wait to see other phone manufacturers do this as well. The fact that there's no creases in the screen also means a lot to me, considering when it comes to the fold, I think it gets kind of annoying after a while to look at it. Because of that crease, if you keep on thinking about it, it'll always be noticeable. And that's something that doesn't matter when it comes to this phone, because like I said before, there is no creases. Now, another thing that I really enjoyed as well is the fact that this is still an OLED display. It is not an LCD display, so you still get those rich blacks and true to life colors and all this very good stuff that OLED panels bring you. Now, they didn't announce a price or anything like that, but they did say it would be coming in 2021, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think about rollable phones and whether or not you will be picking up one of these phones when it comes out in the comments down below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.